Thank you. Entry number 30, La Consolacion College, Baao Incorporated, San Ramon, Baao, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 31. Concepcion Pequeña National High School, Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City. Entry number 31. Your setup time starts now. Thank you. Thank you. Entry number 31 from Concepcion Pequeña National High School. Next entry. Entry number 32. Universidad de Santa Isabel of Pili Incorporated. San Agustin, Pili, Camarines Sur. Entry number 32, your setup time starts now. Thank you very much, Universidad de Santa Isabel of Pili Incorporated, San Agustin, Pili, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 33. From Balaogan National High School, Galawit Street, Balaogan, Bula, Camarines Sur. Entry number 33. Your setup time starts now.
Thank you very much. Entry number 33, Balaogan National High School, Galubid Street, Balaogan, Bula, Camarines Sur. Stand by for the next entry. We're about to have, in a while, the Majorettes color guards and brass wind band competition. At this point in time, hihingan po natin ng observation and as well as overall assessment ang ating pong percussion band judge, Sir Saturnino Satur Chamson Jr. regarding the performance of our competing units this afternoon. Sir Saturnino Satur Chamson Jr., sir. Okay, so nasa personal necessity. Anyways, so a little later, bago po tayo mag-start ng ating pong, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for high school, and then for colleges and universities, we have 4 competing units.
For colleges and universities, Majorettes, color guards, and band drill exhibition competition.
All right, so 4. All right, so Sir Saturnino Satur Chamson Jr., your observation and overall assessment regarding the performances of our competing contingents, sir.
Hello po. Hi, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Satur Tiamson, judge for the percussion and drumline. Congrats po sa lahat po ng participants, and congrats sa organizer, at siyempre congrats din sa mga kasama kong judges. Medyo mahirap yung pagja-judge kasi halos magkakapareho yung idea minsan. So, unahin ko yung comment ko lang dun sa observation ko dun sa concept and idea. Binabati ko yung mga bandmasters kasi yung iba talaga makita mo nag-improve na sila. Okay, maganda yung mga story. Alam mo yung habang nanonood kami, parang naiintindihan namin yung buong istorya nung ginagawa nila. Yung iba naman, parang tumugtog lang the whole time. Okay? Parang parang hindi mo alam kung matatapos ba or kung paano siya nagsimula. Okay? Tapos yung iba, yung idea nila, yung story nila is yung music nila is bagay sa mga galaw nila. Yung music nila is bagay sa kanilang mga uniform, pati sa mga props nila. So, kung sino man yung mga yon, congrats sa inyo. Siyempre, dun sa nag-isip ng idea. And then, when it comes to dynamics, minsan okay lang din maglakas, basta naiintindihan namin yung buong music na ginagawa nyo. Okay? So, be aware of that next time. Kahit malakas siya, basta nagkakarinigan kayo. Kung di na kayo nagkakarinigan, it means wala nang music doon. Puro lakas na lang, puro ingay. But, of course, hindi ko sinasabi na ilakas nyo lang, tumugtog kayo lang lagi ng malakas. So, doon sa mga gumagamit ng dynamics, congrats sa inyo. At salamat sa pagrespeto nyo ron sa dynamics, paggamit nyo ng music. And when it comes to timing, may mga banda na may conductor, pero hindi tumitingin doon sa conductor. I hope na-gets nyo yun. Okay? May conductor, magaling yung conductor minsan, pero yung banda hindi nagkakasabay-sabay. So medyo mahirap i-judge yung part na yun. I hope pag may conductor, or even yung may isa kaninang banda, wala siyang conductor, pero nagkakasundo sila. Hindi ko maalala kung anong grupo yon. Na-injured yung conductor, pero natapos yung banda ng sabay-sabay. And when it comes to technique, may mga banda na malayo na halatang nagre-research. Okay? So alam mo nag-aaral yung mga drumline. Makikita mo sa kamay. Makikita mo sa mga heights, makikita mo sa mga ginamit nila sa music. And then when it comes to instruments, nakaka-affect din siya dun sa music na ginagawa nila. So I hope yung iba in the coming years, coming Peña Francia, sana mag-upgrade silang instrumento and then magpatuloy silang mag-research. And then napakaswerte ninyo kasi nandito lang si Isaac de Alba. So kung kailangan nyo ng tulong when it comes to drumline, to band, tawagan nyo lang si Isaac. Napakalapit lang niya. Nandito lang siya sa inyong region. Malaki may tutulong niya para ma-improve pa yung mga banda rito. So anyway, yun lang po. Salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you very much, Mr. Saturnino Satur Chamso or Chamson Jr. Percussion Band Judge for your pointers and for your comments. So i-apply nyo yon sa sunod na competitions. All right, so getting ready now for our next contingent or participating unit. This is for Majorettes, Color Guards, and Brass Wind Band. Entry number 34, San Juan National High School, Handong, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Your setup time starts now. Thank you very much. Entry number 34, San Juan National High School, Handong, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 35, Camarines Sur National High School, Peña Francia Avenue, Naga City. Your setup time starts now.
Thank you. Entry number 35, Camarines Sur National High School from Naga City. Next entry number 36, Sabang National High School, Sabang, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Entry number 36, your setup time starts now. Thank you. Entry number 36, Sabang National High School from Sabang, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 37. Entry number 37, Mother Teresa Colegio de Iriga Incorporated, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Entry number 37, your setup time starts now. Thank you. Entry number 37, Mother Teresa Colegio de Iriga Incorporated, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Next entry. Entry number 38, Pasacao Academy, Santa Rosa del Norte, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Entry number 38, your setup time starts now.
Thank you very much. Entry number 38, last entry for the high school category, Pasacao Academy, Santa Rosa del Norte, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. We shall move now to the next category. This is the competing colleges, universities, majorette, color guards, and band drill exhibition competition. Entry number 39, Partido State University, San Juan Bautista Street, Goa, Camarines Sur. Your set of time starts now. Thank you very much. Entry number 39, Partido State University, San Juan Bautista Street, Goa, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 40, Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, BISCAST, Peñafrancia Avenue, Naga City. Your setup time starts now.
Thank you. Entry number 40, Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Biscas, Naga City. Next entry, entry number 41, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Aswan. Entry number 41, your setup time starts now. Thank you. Entry number 41. Next entry. Next entry, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Entry number 42, your setup time starts now.
Okay, there we have it. Our last contingent, our last contestant for the competing colleges and universities, CSPC, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. So, inaabot namin po si gabos ng mga contestants, si gabos ng mga nagpartisipar. Pwede po nindong i-occupy ang sa tuyang ground for the awarding of our winners. Please stand by for the awarding ceremony.
Calling all the contingents for the Fancy Drill exhibition, kindly occupy the space digdi sa Tahawakan JMR Coliseum.
Pwede na po kitang maglaog digdi sa tuyang ground.
Digdi na po kamo mag-settle down. And si Gabusman po na contingent, kang Majorette and Band exhibition, digdi na po kamo without your instruments and your batons. Di na po magdarang gamit. Kamo na lang po.
Okay.
And para po magtaong assessment sa satuyang ginibong Majorette and Band Drill Exhibition, sa pong dangugon, ang saro sa satuyang judges, ang conductor as in arranger, Mr. Jesse Sarino San Miguel.
Sige po. Okay.
Sige.
Okay.
Okay, while waiting sa mga contingents, maano man ako, Kuya Roy, ma-promote. So, ngunyan na banggi as part kan sa tuyang civic event at yan po alas 5 hapon, gigibuhon ng Day 1 Kantagboan Music, Food and Arts Festival. Ini po gigibuhon sa Balatas Development Complex. Ini po mapuon ngunya na September 15 hanggang September 21. So ang gabos po iniimbitaran, magkakaiga po ding konsyerto.
And sa Monday, maabot si Bea Binini.
Una ako, Bini na talaga ay Bea Binini. Yeah. Party siya kang Viva One artist. Sinda po maligdi sa September 16. So at yan po, ang Day 1 Kantagboan, yaon ang Manila artist. Saro pong sikat na banda. Ano Kuya Roy, ining bandang ini, garubaguan pa lang. Iyo ini si Nobita. Yan, kung bisado po nindo ang Nobita or nadangog na po nindo ang kanta ninda, bako po nitong yaon sa Doraemon, Kuya Roy. Si ano nga niyang, may Arab kang kanta kan Nobita?
Salamin.
Aram maganinda dong kanta na tumingin ka sa aking mga mata. Ayan, yan ang kinanta kang Nobita.
So po, salamin.
Iba man do. Kibini to. Kibea Binini. So si Bea Binini po, kaibanan ng Vivo One artist. Mga kaibanan naman po sa September 16. Diyan man po sa Tagboan, Balatas Development Complex. Sa mga day po na kaaram, kung saan iyan, yan po kataid kan Naga City General Hospital. Ito pong open grounds duman. Iyo po tuan sa tuya magiging concert grounds. Sa mga naghahapot kung paano po makakaduman. Ang ano po nindo, itong Leonsa Aureus Street. So day po maghandal kung mayong masasakayan taang syudad, ma-provide ning libreng sakay sa gustong mag-attend sa Tagboan Music and Arts Festival. Magkakaigwa pong libreng sakay hali sa Tierra de Ibalon Travel and Tours, asin Bicol, Isarog. Ayos ano Kuya Roy, duwang bus ang ipro-provide kang Bicol, Isarog and Tierra de Ibalon sa mga gustong mag-attend at tiyan sa Tagboan. Ligas pinagada ang bus. So sa liwat, inaapudan po ang gabos na contingent. Digdi na po kamo sa laog para po sa assessment. And of course, awarding ceremony.
Tangani po din mapagal pa orotro pagapod ka mga winners. Tanganing mabilis ang satuyang awarding, mabilis ang pagkuhaning award. Okay, digdi po sa stage. And gusto po namin pasalamatan ang ating mga members of the Board of Judges sa iba't ibang event na nakasama po natin ngayong hapon. Simula kaninang umaga hanggang ngayong hapon. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
And of course, gabos po na civic event ngunyan, handog sa indo kang City Government of Naga. And of course, sa pamamayukan sa tuyang mahigos, asin matibay, Attorney Nelson Ligacion, ang sa tuya pong alkalde. Kaibanan niya man po ang iyang pag-iriba, nasanggo niyang panlungsod, Vice Mayor Nene de Asis, asin, and of course, ang sa tuyang chairman sa military parade, Councilor Melvin Ramon Omar Buenafe. And of course, ang sa iyang co-chairperson, yaon man mo giraray, subago pa po ni si Kap Dodit, kasabay ko ining mag-uli sa Banggi, pero amay ning alas 6 ning aga. Parehasin din ni General Omar Buenafe, yaon na digdi. Hanggang mag-awarding ceremony, kaibanan ta sindangon yan. Sa liwat po, pakanta po ang sa tong chairman, Councilor Melvin Ramon Omar Buenafe. Congratulations po, General.
And of course, gusto niya itong pasalamatan ang sa tuya pong mga nakatuwang sa pasalamatan ang nasa communications group na sa tuya pong nakatuwang unyan, ang REAC, KIAC, ang Kabalikat, Naga City, ang sa tuya pong nasa medical, PNP, siniba pa niya itong mga katabang unyan na pagkapon. Mga miyembros kan media, mga balos po, yaon man ang Information and Technology Office. Pasalamatan ta po ang Investment, Trade and Promotions Office, ang STI Naga, ang City Events Protocol Public Information Office, ang DepEd Regional Office number 5, DepEd Naga, DepEd Kamsur, Rotary Club of Naga, Rotary Club of Ateneo de Naga, Rotary Club of USI, and PNPA and Regional Police Security and Protection Unit 5, 9th ID Philippine Army, and JMR Coliseum Management, City Health Office, City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office, and Philippine Baton Twirling Association, Color Guard Alliance of the Philippines Incorporated, Band Conductors League of the Philippines Incorporated, Percussive Arts Society, Public Safety Office, PSO Central Communications Center, and Naga City Police Office, Traffic Assistance Group, REAC Sinarapan Group, REAC Isarog Group, Kaakibat Civicom International Incorporated, Kabalikat Civicom Incorporated, Camarines Sur Council, Kabalikat Civicom 30, Naga City, the X4 NC ACIS, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary, Naga City, 907 Coast Guard Auxiliary Flotilla Squadron, and Bureau of Fire and Protection Bureau BFP.
And of course, duman man po sa tuyang mga contingent from universities and colleges, the Partido State University, the Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, the Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, CBSWA, and Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. Inaapudan po ang sa indong representative, magdigdi po sa stage. Thank you very much. Once again, to our contingent, the college university category, the Partido State University, the BISCAS, the CBSWA, and the Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, digdi na po kamo sa stage. Magpadara po kamong representative. And of course, si Nawawaran Wallet, so bago pa pong aga, yaon man po giraray digdi sa moya sa podium. Igwa siyang Mitsubishi Motors na keychain. Ayan, color navy blue ang wallet. Sa mga Sa nawawaran dyan, kindly check, i-check nindo ang sa indong mga bulsa, bag, baka sa indo po ining wallet. Okay, na-claim na. Magana ka na. So sa liwat, inaapudan po ang gabos na contingent. Digdi na po kamo sa laog pang JMR Coliseum para sa assessment and awarding ceremony.
DLTB. Wherever you are, we are there.
Groceries to your door. Worry no more. Food Panda?
Choose gaming! Ang saya kaya maglaro! You inspire your fans, bro!
I chose to sing to express myself. Kaya ang dami mong napapasaya. Wow! I choose skateboarding because it makes me feel alive.
Lordy!
I choose what's true. That's why I choose love. Ikaw, what's your true?
Mga Kasogo, ready na ba kayo for a whole new hotel experience sa Hotel Sogo? Try out our new concept rooms at selected branches in Malate, Fairview, Davao, and Mexico, Pampanga. Hindi lang basta kwarto, may kasama pang high-tech at friendly na si Sogo Aiko. So what are you waiting for? Mag-book na and let's create new memories together dito sa Hotel Sogo. Basta Hotel Sogo, so clean, so good yan. For bookings and more information, visit www.hotelsogo.com.
McDo presents Birthday Agoncillo.
Agonsulit.
Dad, guest list for my party.
Okay, ito lang?
Kayang-kayang dream party the Agonsulit way. Starts at 149 pesos na lang. Bring everyone you love.
Agonsulit.
May party decors,
May pag-games and prizes.
party host, at may special guest pa.
Agonsulit talaga.
Celebrate with everyone you love. Book a McDo party now.
Ready ka na ba sa bago? As in, bagong-bago. Yung bagong parang mga bagong kasama. Wow! Yung bago na iba sa usual cravings mo. Yung parang bagong Pepsi. Para sa mga sawa na sa paulit-ulit. Sarap ng bago, no? Mas masarap maiba.
Welcome to Rethink the Water You Drink. Which of these water types help replenish your lost minerals? A. Distilled, B. Purified, or C. Mineral water? Correct! It's mineral water! Unlike distilled or purified, Le Mineral has essential minerals that are good for you. Drink the #1 mineral water in the Philippines, Le Mineral! Rethink the water you drink!
Get 8 gigabytes of all-access power.
To do it all.
Plus only TikTok to scroll and share non-stop. Power, work, life, and more. With Smart Power all-access data now up to 90 days. Load now.
The most affordable 5G phone from Smart. Solid ng cameras. Smooth ng performance with 8 gig RAM. Now everyone can enjoy Smart 5G for 5,450 pesos only. Amazing! Get yours now.
LTB. Wherever you are, we are there.
We need the social media manager.
That's me! I'll schedule posts, find influencers. Oh, I can also be your influencer. I can rap, shoot photos, juggle.
You're hired!
Introducing new Dito Flex Plan 388. Flex different sides of you. 50 gigabyte data.
Ma, first day ko!
Plus only all-net calls and texts. And 12 months Prime Video subscription.
Ako naman. My treat. Just had lunch.
Thanks for the treat, son.
Pocari Sweat presents The Sweat You Forget. Hello there, I'm Carrie, and this is your body. You might be wondering why it looks so pale. That's because your body releases at least 2.5 liters of fluids every day. You see, it's the sweat that you forget that's dehydrating you. Like work from home overtime takes effort, causing your body to sweat. In cold temperature, your body burns energy to stay warm. Having caffeinated drinks and alcohol can make you urinate more often. Fever causes sweating as your body is fighting viruses. And when you cry, you release body fluids through tears. But remember, you can always recover with Pocari Sweat. Because of these ions, we make a good match for your body's hydration needs. Ooh, this is our stop. Remember, don't let the sweat you forget keep you from living a healthy and hydrated life. Pocari Sweat.
Presented to, together with a trophy, with the image of the Our Lady of Peña Francia and the Oragon Monument, the symbol of Bicolano heroism in Naga City. Same certificate of appreciation is presented to Police Major Eduardo C. Daria. Same certificate of appreciation is presented to Thank you very much, sir. Same certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Police Colonel Vincent Camero. Thank you, sir. Same certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to for Miss Alexandra Nicole A. Cordes for being judge for the Majorettes Color Guards Drill Exhibition. Thank you very much, ma'am. Same certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Miss Lorraine Miles Tulang. Thank you very much, ma'am. Now, same certificate of appreciation is hereby given to Mr. Jam Neil A. Terora. Same certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Mr. Jesse Sarino San Miguel as judge for the Percussion and Brass Wind Band Drill Exhibition. Thank you, sir. Same certificate of appreciation is given to Mr. Saturnino H. Tiamson Jr. Thank you very much. Same certificate of appreciation is given to Mr. Alejandro M. Manuel.
May we call on Sir Isaac D. Alva III. Okay, next. Giraraybot min paabutan ng pasasalamat na mga naging katuwang kang sa tuyang aktibidad kunya na pagkahapon ang City Government of Naga, Information and Technology Office, Investment Trade and Promotion Office, SCI Naga, CEPPIO, Archdiocese of Cáceres, Department of Education Regional Office 5, Department of Education Division Office of Naga, Department of Education Division Office of Camarines Sur, Rotary Club of Naga, Rotary Club of Ateneo de Naga, Rotary Club of USI, Philippine National Police, Regional Police Security and Protection Unit 5, 9th ID, Philippine Army, JMR Coliseum Management, City Health Office, City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office, Philippine Baton Twirling Association, Color Guard Alliance of the Philippines Incorporated, Band Conductors, League of the Philippines Incorporated, Percussive Arts Society, Public Safety Office, PSO Central Communications Center, Naga City Police Office, Traffic Assistance Group, REACT Sinarapan Group, REACT Isarog Group, Kaakibat Civicom International Incorporated, Kabalikat Civicom Incorporated Camarines Sur Council, Kabalikat Civicom 30, DX4NC, ACES, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary Naga City, 907 Coast Guard Auxiliary Flotilla Squadron, asin ang Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP. Siring man, pabuta man yung pasasalamat ang mga partner. Pabuta na rin pasasalamat ang mga nagpartisipar mga eskwelahan. Kabali na dinigaroan sa imong alma mater.
Mayo.
Mayo. Aram mo si Radyoman Mike Marfega, dati ning conductor.
Relax. Si mga yaon dyan sa taas, pwede na mo para.
Anong school ni?
Barabana, para maka-start na kita kang awarding. Mas magayon tanganing makasakatulo sa stage pag awarding ka mo.
Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Sir Isaac D. Alva III, penalty judge, for their dedication and valuable contribution to the success of the Regional Band and Majorettes Exhibition Competition held as part of the celebration of Peña Francia Festival 2024, presented this 15th day of September 2024, coinciding with the celebration of the centenary of the canonical coronation of Our Lady of Peña Francia, patroness of Bicolandia, in the pilgrim city of Naga, Philippines. Signed, City Mayor Honorable Nelson S. Ligacion. Signed, City Vice Mayor Honorable Cecilia Velos de Asis. Signed, Honorable Melvin Ramon G. Benefe, City Councilor and BRMPC Chairman. Signed, City Councilor, BRMPC Co-Chairman Honorable Antonio B. Beltran. Head City Population Nutrition Office, BRMPCG Member Rayan Cedric Chirintoy. Director Naga City Dangerous Drugs Board, BRMPC Member Jose B. Importante. And Librarian Raul S. Rocco Library, BRMPC Member Federico J. Binluan. Certificate of Appreciation hereby presented to Sir Isaac D. Alba III, penalty judge.
Alright, Sir Isaac. Ingat lang po tabi ka mo dyan. Baka mahulog po.
Baka isug.
All right, may we have the envelope, please? May we have the results para makapag-puna po kita kan awarding. Again, may request yung mga yaro po dyan sa taas, mga participants to please gather. Dito po kita sa may tahaw kan
seats.
Basketball court ba yan? Di ba basketball court yan? Kaya lang mailang tinahuban lang. Okay, so pag napunpuan sa ito mga eskwelahan, dalagan tulos po dito sa stage.
Pero luway lang pagdalagan.
Pero luway lang pala na mahalnas pala ninyo. Mahalnas pala ninyo.
Glory.
Kaya.
Okay. Again, pasalamatan ta ang sa tuyo mga laging katuwang tanganing maging posible sa itong Regional Majorettes and Band Exhibition na na pagka-aldaw ang City Government of Naga, Information Technology Office, ITO, Investment Trade and Promotion Office, STI Naga, CEPPIO, Archdiocese of Cáceres.
Also, thank you very much. Department of Education, Regional Office 5, Department of Education, Division Office of Naga, Department of Education, Division Office of Kamsur, Rotaract Club of Naga, Rotaract Club of Ateneo de Naga, Rotaract Club of USI, Philippine National Police Academy, Regional Police Security and Protection Unit 5, 9th ID Philippine Army, JMR Policy Management, City Health Office, City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office, Philippine Baton Twirling Association, Color Guard Alliance of the Philippines Incorporated, Band Conductors League of the Philippines Incorporated,
Percussive Arts Society Public Safety Office, PSO Central Communications Center, Naga City Police Office, Traffic Assistance Group, REACT Sinarapan Group, REACT Isaro Group, Kaakibat Civicom International Incorporated, Kabalikat Civicom Incorporated, Camarines Sur Council, Kabalikat Civicom 30, DX4NC ACES, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary Naga City, 907 Coast Guard Auxiliary Flotilla Squadron, and Bureau of Fire Protection.
ini sa kuya, taas. Ayan, para bakong makulog sa... Okay? May request po, si Gabos pong mga CAT, please gather, dito po kita sa tahaw. Gabos na mga CAT, yung 11 contingents. Digdi po kita sa tahaw as requested, please. Ayan, mga masunurin po tayo, di ba? Viva la Virgen! Viva el Divino Rostro! Ayan, buhay na buhay pa ang Pilipinas.
Sige, roll call kita para maramon nasa si 11.
Okay.
Sige, Camarines Norte National High School.
Ayan,
Batingay.
hindi na. San Roque National High School.
Yun.
Yaw na, very good.
Santo Niño National High School from Iriga City.
Baba,
Ay,
baba
digdi,
na, baba na kayo, baba. Para mas magayon, ilingong kita ko niya, kita ligay sa baba. Also, Mercedes High School. Ayun na mga taga Mercedes High School.
Paracale National High School. Porfirio Punayo High School.
Baba,
Yun.
baba. Ayan, yan na.
Bicol Central Academy. Nasa taas.
Bumaba. Ang nasa taas.
Goa National High School.
Ayan,
Goa.
very good.
Very good. Paaw National High School.
Ayos lang, hindi ka mo nagbababa.
Baba ka mo.
Baba.
Mother Teresa Colegio de Iriga. Oto sa luwas. San Juan National High School.
Ay,
Very good.
Very good. Okay. So, 11 man lang yan, ha? Para po ini sa fancy silent drill competition. Ayan, madali lang tapo. Pipirmahan na lang po si results. Ayan.
Okay na.
Group picture muna daan mga
Group picture.
Group picture po. Okay, sige. Group picture. Ingat-ingat lang po sa likod. Alright, so we have the results. Ayan, good luck po sa kabos. Good luck to all the participants. Ayan, excited na ba? Excited na? Alright, so ito na pong i-award Silent Fancy Drill Exhibition. Yan, Silent Fancy Drill Exhibition.
Okay na. 2024 Regional Band Majorettes and Fancy Drill Exhibition. Silent Fancy Drill Exhibition results.
Yan na.
5th place.
Pang-5 pwesto.
With an average score of 85.90. Goes to
napaduman sa
Baaw National High School, Santa Cruz, Baaw, Camarines Sur.
Baaw National High School, Santa Cruz, Baaw, Camarines Sur. 5th place. Ayan, sakat baba, sakat na po. Kung nasa taas, bumaba, tapos sumakat digdi sa stage.
Tapos bumaba, giraray, sumakat naman.
Sakat na naman yan. Kaya kung marinig na ako sa baba, para mas marikas po kita matapos. O, di ba? Ayan. Yung mga floor managers daw, please,
pasuyo naman.
Request sa mga participants to please come down.
Yung mga teachers, pwede pakisamahan na nyo yung mga kadete, yung mga majorettes para dito na tayo. Para matapos agad tayo po.
Kung ayaw niyo po yung lahat, kahit ilang representatives lang para mas madali pong ma-claim yung award. We have a trophy and a plaque. Ayun na po, na gano'n na? Santa Cruz, yaw na? O, di ba?
Si Baaw National High School, okay na?
Ayun na po. O, di ba? Ang tagal. 5 minutes bago nakarating sa taas.
So, baba muna tayo para maganda. Next, 4th place.
Pang-4 na pwesto.
With an average score of 87.27 goes to
napaduman sa
San Juan National High School, Handong, Libmanan, Camarines Sur.
San Juan National High School, Handong, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Ayan.
Very good, sir.
Sige na po, pwede mag-iba. Pwede man mag-iba, mas keeper na ba yun? Ayan. Ayan, turo ko na lang mo dyan sa stairs. Gusto nyo magkaiguanin na, pictorial.
Yeah, di ba mas magayong pag yaw ka mo sa baba, pag inapod ang eskwelahan niyo, pwede ko mag group photo.
Ayan, pag nasa baba, pero pag nasa taas, bawal.
Okay.
Ready na?
3rd place.
Pang-tulong pwesto.
Silent Fancy Drill Exhibition, third place, with an average score of 87.33. Goes to
Napaduman sa
Santo Niño National High School, Santo Niño, Iriga City.
Santo Niño National High School, Santo Niño, Iriga City. Ayan, sakat na. Ay na. Yaw naman ako. Takbo na, takbo. Ayan, alright.
Sige. Oras sa alas 3:45.
Dapat alas 4 tapos na kita.
Oo. Sir Tolitz, de pakahiro na maray.
Mapalingaw po ka mo.
Malingaw ka mo. Nasa second floor ka mo. Second place.
Ang duwang pwesto.
With an average score of 88.83. Goes to
Napaduman sa
Porfirio Bunayo High School, Barangay Mambalete, Daet, Camarines Norte.
Porfirio Punayo High School, Mambalite, Daet, Camarines Norte. Akyat na. Ayan, very good. Ayan, sino kaya ang champion? Silent Fancy Drill Exhibition.
Okay. So ito mga Majorettes, may award ma. Baka pwede na digisado to sa laog, ano? Partner.
Ayan, natyan. Ayo.
Para mas ma-inspire din yung mga kadete. Okay. Silent Fancy Drill Exhibition, Rank 1.
Numero 1.
With an average score of 89.80 goes to
Napaduman sa
Goa National High School, Taytay, Goa, Camarines Sur.
Goa National High School, Taytay, Goa, Camarines Sur. Iyan ang magayon pag yaon di sa baba. Alright, congratulations. Congratulations all the winners. Tukaw para mahiling sa likod.
Okay, congratulations naman sa primerong set ka mga awardees kunya na paghabon. Yan, nagdadakol na kita.
Ayan na.
Dagdagan na pa.
Congratulations. Oh, steady lang ka mo dyan. Champion na garo eh. Steady lang. Para mas marami tayo. Steady.
Nag-uruli na naka-receive kang award.
Huwag muna tayo umuwi. Sabi ng Bini. Alright, so next set of awards.
Dahil wala mag-uruli. Pwedeng pakisara mo na dyan. Yan, may umalis, may pumasok.
Alright.
So again, habang hinahalata po ang sa tuyang results.
Pwede nyo pong itabi muna yung mga instruments ninyo pagpila. Please. Itabi nyo muna yung mga instruments. Iwan nyo na muna sa tabi, pabantayan nyo kung kanino dyan para hindi hassle. Please, ano? Sa pagpila, iwan po ang instruments. Huwag nyo pong ipapatong sa cover. Sa tabi lang, pakilagay sa tabi ng inyong mga instruments.
Okay, habang hinihintay po natin yung result para sa anong result nating sunod? Sir, pwede mo na kitang magtukaw para pigahalata si sunod na resulta. Yan. Para ano? Okay.
Hello po. Tinatawagan po lahat ng bandmasters. Paki-organize po ang banda nyo. Lahat po ay nakapila dito for awarding. Hindi po magsisimula ang awarding ng band and majorettes color guards nang wala ang participants dito sa gitna. Punta na po dito sa gitna. Lahat naman po ng... paiwan na lang po ng equipments. Paiwan na lang equipments doon. Nasa guidelines po natin yan. Bands, yung mga nasa taas po, baba na po.
Yung mga nasa taas, pakibaba na po, pakibaba na.
Hindi po tayo magsisimula ng awarding nyo nang hindi kayo nakapila dito. Ayan po. Pakita natin yung tikas ng mga Bicolano. Marami po tayong national judges dito. Okay, by 3 na lang, by 3s. Per school, per contingent, by 3s. Ayan, sige po, hiwalay na lang. Tama, 3 majorettes, 3 band. Okay na yan. Next school.
Penalty judge yung nagsalita. Bahala kayo. Ongoing pa ang tabulation.
Okay. Radio groups volunteer po. Patulong naman po mag-handle ng crowd natin. By 6 per school natin. Para malinaw. 3 for majorettes and 3 sa band.
Nasa rules pala yan. Kaya, ongoing
Nasa
pang tabulation.
Then, lagay po sa unahan ng conductor at saka ang majorette leader. Thank you po sa C80 natin and congratulations. Thank you, congratulations. So, band. Parade dress na muna. Band, parade dress. Tayo na muna tayo para madaling ma-adjust po. Tayo na muna. Upo tayo mamaya pag-start ng awarding. Okay? Pwede pong patabi na muna ng equipment para maganda tayong tingnan sa linya. Then yung bandmaster, leader, sa unahan na lang. Color guard, yan po.
The Peña Francia Festival Civic Events is presented by the City Government of Naga, headed by Attorney Son Ligacion and Vice Mayor Nene Diasis, in partnership with our Diamond
Okay po. Band, parade dress tayo. Parade dress. Para malinis.
Tikas pahinga daw. Nasa rules yan.
Pakiayos din po ang mga damit. Siyempre, dapat presentable tingnan. Yung iba nakapambahay na. Instruments po, sa tabi na muna ang musical instruments, equipments, baton, flags. Ang musical instruments sa tabi. Sige, yung baton baka mawala. Sorry, yung baton pwede nyo nang hawakan. Pwede nang hawakan yung baton. Maliit lang naman. Pero yung instruments po kailangan itabi.
The Peña Friendship Festival Civic Events is presented by the City Government of Naga, headed by Attorney Son Ligacion and Vice Mayor Nene Diasis, in partnership with our diamond sponsors, Robinson's Naga, URC Flour, DLTV Company, Gold Sponsors, Triton Paints, South Star Drive, Fieldworks Construction, Umar Residences, Coca-Cola Beverages Philippines Incorporated, Dito Telecommunity, Moore State Company Incorporated, Moraville Hotels and Moraville The Garden, Caramel Bake Shop, Pucaris Rent, Sapphire Sponsors, Summit Hotel, Suzuki Philippine, Gateway Visa Solutions, Development Bank of the Philippines, Lotus Blue Hotel, Jollibee, CTEC, Maritime Training and Assessment, Bang Inasan, Nature Spring.
Okay, so konting sandali na lang. Malalaman na po natin ang results.
Power Max Center, Firefly, official lighting partner,
Kalma lang tayo. Yan. Pwede naman.
SMCT Naga.
I don't know, pwede pa umupo? Pwede ba sila umupo? Hindi.
Okay po, pwede na. Mag-start na tayo. Bago tayo magsimula, Sir German, hindi ka dito. Okay, ayusin na tayo. Tayo na muna tayo lahat. Tayo. Okay po. Papakilala ko sa inyo si Sir German Jeric Reyes, isa sa mga sikat na conductor sa Manila. Ngayon po, tuturuan niya kayo ng tamang posture para alam natin kung paano tumayo. Isa po sa pinakamagaling na visual director sa Pilipinas. Director ng Elite Stars. So ngayon po, Sir German, nabilis lang.
Okay po. So kanina, habang nagdidrill yung mga marching band, yung mga drum and bell corps, drum and lyre, napansin namin na medyo nahihirapan yung iba sa control ng instrument. May mga bandang hirap sa dinadalang instrument, or yung iba magaan ng instrument pero nagiging lousy siya tingnan dahil sa marching technique na ginagamit. So, bigay ko lang yung mga basic fundamentals sa posture. Okay? May set position kami tinatawag. Okay? Ang feet together, magkasama yung paa, naka-close, 45 degree po. Sabay po tayo. Feet together, naka-45 degree. Opo. Yung mga naka-45 na majorette, sa majorette may ganitong technique. Meron din ganito. So, okay lang yan. Feet together, next, stomach in, chest out, then chin up. Okay, ngayon, shoulders back. Paano natin lalagay sa likod? Shoulders back, hindi siya pwedeng diretso ganito eh. So, ang gawin natin, shoulders roll up, taas muna, back, roll back, then down. Tapos naka-chest out. Ulitin natin, feet together, stomach in, chest out, then chin up. Chin up. So, yan ang set position. Ulitin natin sa shoulders roll up, back, then down. And then, gagawin nyo yan, yung upper body naka-relax. Okay? Sa marching band, ang lower body is the athlete. Ang upper body ay musician. So, ang upper body, relax, pero hindi nagalaw. Okay? So, subukan natin pagsamasamahin yung sinabi natin. Feet together, stomach in, chest out, chin up, tapos yung shoulders sa likod ng isang command lang. Magbibigay akong command ng core 10 hot, then sasagot kayo ng hot. Okay po? Magko-command ako, ulitin ko, core 10 hot. Sisigaw kayo ng hot, tapos gagawin nyo yung tamang posture. Okay po? Subukan na natin. Ready? Sa fourth beat. Sa fourth beat po tayo sasagot. Ready? Core 10 hot. Okay, sigaw po tayo sabay-sabay. Core 10 hot. Okay, pag ginawa nyo yun, isabay nyo yung posture. Ang upper body, ulitin ko, relax. Lower body, yan ang athlete. Ready? Isa pa po. Ready? Core 10 hot. Ang sagot, staccato lang. Hindi kailangan mahaba. Hot. Isang mabilis lang. Ready? Core 10 hot. Sabay natin snap yung chin. Ready? Core 10 hot. Ayan. Kahit pa ba?
Isang malakas lang. Sabayan natin. Isang malakas na core 10 hot, then start na tayo ng awarding. Sabay kay Sir German. Ready?
Okay, ready? Core 10 hot. Tapos naka-chin up lang siya. Okay pa.
Okay, palakpakan ng lahat. Palakpakan Sir German. So yan ang itsura natin sa awarding. 'Di ba? Ang ganda niyong tingnan. Okay, sir, awarding na tayo.
Okay, thank you very much, sirs, for that demonstration. We now proceed to the awarding ceremony. I will call the city officials who will present the award and of course the board of judges. May we request the chairman of the military parade, Councilor Melvin Ramon Omar Buenafe. His co-chairperson, Councilor Antonio Dodit Beltran. Councilor Lito Del Rosario. Our judges for the Majorette Color Guards Drill Exhibition, Miss Alexandra Nicole Cordes. Mr. Jamnil A. Terora. Miss Lou Rain Miles Tulang. For the Bandil Exhibition judges, we have Mr. Satur Tiamson, Mr. Alejandro M. Manuel, Mr. Jesse Sarino San Miguel, and our penalty judge, Mr. Isaac De Alva III. And of course, our City Youth Mayor, the Honorable Bridget Kyle Bernal.
All right. Chin up. Okay. Wala. 2, 3. Chin up. All right. Thank you very much. At least may natutunan tayo, ha? Okay, so ready na for the announcement of winners. We'll have the So aside from the trophy, the winners will also be receiving a certificate of recognition. And the content of certificate of recognition.
The certificate of recognition for the winning in the Majorettes Color Guards Exhibition High School during the Regional Band and Majorettes Exhibition Competition presented this 15th day of September 2024, coinciding with the celebration of centenary of the canonical coronation of Our Lady of Peña Francia, patroness of Bicolandia, in the pilgrim city of Naga, Philippines. Signed, Honorable Nelson S. Ligacion.
All right, so ready na? Viva la Virgen! Viva el Divino Rostro! Happy Fiesta Bicolandia! Walang libreng pagkain, pero pagbalik nyo next week meron na. All right, first to be awarded for the Majorettes Color Guards Drill Exhibition High School. Sir Omar, please. May. Okay lang. Sorry Kasi talaga, we're making sure na eksakto talaga yung mga yung mga i-announce namin ng mga placers. Okay? Para malinis lahat. So habang inaayos yung isang category, I guess, we'll move on to the next category, which is the Best Majorette Leader High School. Ayan, kamusta mga Majorette leaders?
Yes!
Good luck!
Best Majorette Leader High School! Mag-ingay! 10th place.
Pang 10 pwesto.
Best Major Leader High School with an average score of 86% goes to
napaduman sa
San Roque National High School, Mercedes Camarines Norte.
San Roque National High School, Mercedes Camarines Norte, 10th place. Best Majorette Leader High School.
Sorry po, sa Majorette Leader High School category, saro lang po pala ng aapo doon. Si Best
Oh my God.
Majorette Leader.
We're very sorry.
We're very sorry po. Sorry for San Roque. Kung sino man po yung Majorette Leader nyo. San Roque National High School. But either way, you are 10th place as the best in Majorette Leader. And now, our best Majorette Leader. First place From San Agustin, Pili, Camarines Sur. Universidad de Santa Isabel of Pili Incorporated. Once again, our best majorette leader in high school category is from Universidad de Santa Isabel of Pili Incorporated. Once again, congratulations, Best Majorette Leader, USI Pili in high school category. And now, the Best Color Guards in high school. Okay, Best Color Guards in high school category is from, once again, San Agustin, Pili, Camarines Sur. Universidad de Santa Isabel of Pili Incorporated. Okay, luway-luway po kamo. Yan, dyan. You can occupy the stairs para di po magsuruksukan. Yan. Once again, congratulations, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Pili Incorporated. Our best in color guards in high school category. Ngunyan, proceed naman kita sa Best Majorette Leader in college category. Isa-isailing nindo ang Best in Majorette Leader in College category. Our Best Majorette Leader in College category, hali sa Naga, San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. Once again, congratulations, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, Best in Majorette Leader in College category. And now, we now proceed to the awarding of the Best Color Guards in College category. Our Best Color Guards in College category is from, once again, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Okay, yaon si Ma'am Handilan Ngunyan from CSPC. Ma'am, join na po kamo sa city officials for the photo op. Yaon po ang Vice President for Academic Affairs kang Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. Thank you very much. Once again, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, our best in color guard in college category. And now, we now proceed to major awards. We will be calling the top 10 for the best in Majorettes color guards drill exhibition in high school category. Once again, this is the Majorettes Color Guards Drill Exhibition in high school category. Our 10th place, Camarines Sur National High School from Naga City. Once again, this is the Majorettes Color Guards Drill Exhibition in high school category. Once again, our 10th place is from Camarines Sur National High School. Okay, thank you very much, Camarines Sur National High School. Our 9th place in Best in Majorettes Color Guards Drill Exhibition High School category, Kararayan National High School. They po magsurusuan sa stage. Make way po for our city officials, to our judges, please. Thank you very much, Kararayan National High School.
Bawas po kita sa stage, bawas tao, baka magkahurulog kita dyan.
Only the city officials po, the city youth mayor, and our judges are allowed to stay on stage for the awarding ceremony.
Baka po mahulog kita dyan.
Para po sa safety reasons, only the judges, city officials, and our city youth mayor. Thank you very much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our 8th place for the Majorettes Color Guards Drill Exhibition. 8th place, La Consolacion College, Baao Incorporated. From San Ramon, Baao, Camarines Sur. Okay, double time po. Ang aapo doon milang po hanggang 6th place. At siya na po ang 5-1. Tatapusin na po, sir. Okay. So, our 7th place for high school category for Majorettes Color Guards exhibition is from Balatas, Naga City. Naga City Science High School. Our 7th place, Naga City Science High School. Okay, double time po from our representatives from Naga City Science High School. Kindly get your certificates and your trophies. Once again, congratulations. And now our 6th place. Our 6th place for Best in Color Guards in Majorettes for high school category. Natatahuban na po ang judge. Our sixth place from Sipocot, Camarines Sur, King Thomas Learning Academy Incorporated. And now our fifth place. Our fifth place for the Best in Color Guards Majorettes Drill Exhibition in High School category. Fifth place, Pasacao Academy from Santa Rosa del Norte, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Once again, our fifth place, Pasacao Academy. Luway-luway lang po. Baka may mabulsot. Okay, girls, settle down. Once again, congratulations, Pasacao Academy, 5th place for Majorettes Color Guards Drill Exhibition. And our 4th place for Majorettes Color Guards Drill Exhibition. From Mercedes, Camarines Norte, San Roque National High School. Once again, our 4th place is the San Roque National High School from Mercedes, Camarines Norte. Okay, girls. And now, down to last 3. Isay pa ang dahinaapod. Okay, our 3rd place with a score of 88.67%. Our 3rd place for Majorette Color Guards Drill Exhibition, Baao National High School from Santa Cruz, Baao, Camarines Sur. Once again, congratulations, Baao National High School. 3rd place, Majorettes Color Guard Drill Exhibition, High School category. All right. Our 2nd place with an average score of 88.70%. Our 2nd place, Pamplona National High School from Poblacion, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Alright, mga taga Pamplona. Hali sa Poblacion, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Our 2nd place, Pamplona National High School. O yan na. Isay, who will be our 1st place for Majorettes Color Guards Drill Exhibition in High School category? First place with an average score of 92.83%. Our best Majorette Color Guard drill exhibition is from Universidad de Santa Isabel de Naga of Pili Incorporated. From San Agustin, Pili, Camarines Sur. Once again, congratulations, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Pili Incorporated. All right. So ngunyan, we will now be awarding the best drumline in percussion band, both for high school and college category. Saro lang po ang sa mga apo doon for best drumline in percussion band. Our best drumline in percussion band with an average score of 96.50%. Our best drumline in percussion band, San Roque National High School, Mercedes, Camarines Norte. Once again, congratulations, San Roque National High School, best drumline in percussion band. And of course, kung may percussion band, igwang conductor. So our best conductor in percussion band for both category, from Poblacion, Pamplona, Camarines Sur, Pamplona National High School. Once again, congratulations, Pamplona National High School, our best conductor in percussion band. And now, we will now be awarding the best drumline in brass winds band for both categories na po ini, high school and college. Our best drumline in brass and winds band with an average score of 83.10%. Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. Once again, our best drumline in brass winds band, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. And now, we will now be awarding the best conductor in brass winds band with an average score of 95%. Our best conductor in brass winds band for two categories na po ini ulit. Our best conductor from Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Aswan. Okay. For college, best conductor in brass winds band for college category. Central Bicol State University of Agriculture. We now proceed to the major awards for the Percussion Band Drill Exhibition. The Marching Percussion Band Drill Exhibition for high school category. Our 10th place with an average score of 88%, Concepcion Pequeña National High School. Once again, Concepcion Pequeña National High School, our 10th place. And 9th place, La Consolacion College, Baao Incorporated. And now our 8th place for the Marching Percussion Band Drill Exhibition High School category. Okay, thank you very much. Our 9th place, La Consolacion College, Baao Incorporated. Our 8th place, Santo Niño National High School, Iriga City. All right, congratulations. Our 7th place for Marching Percussion Band Drill Exhibition High School category. Once again from Iriga City, La Consolacion College of Iriga Incorporated. And now we proceed to the 6th place. 6th place for the Marching Percussion Band Drill Exhibition. Baao National High School. Once again, congratulations to Baao National High School. 6th place for the Marching Percussion Band Drill Exhibition in high school category. And now our 5th place, Naga City Science High School. Fifth place, Naga City Science High School from Balatas, Naga City. All right, congratulations, Naga City Science High School. Our fourth place for Marching Percussion Band Drill Exhibition in High School category. Our fourth place is Tinago National High School, Naga City.
Tinago. Wala. Third place. Dito na yung Tinago.
So, apat lang po ang contingents natin sa Grasswind High School.
Third place. With an average score of 92.22 goes to third place, Universidad de Santa Isabel of Pili Incorporated, San Agustin, Pili, Camarines Sur.
Once again, congratulations, Universidad de Santa Isabel of Pili Incorporated. Third place, Marching Percussion Band Drill Exhibition. And now, our second place with an average score of 96.68%. Our second place for the Marching Percussion Band Drill Exhibition in High School category is Pamplona National High School. Okay, double time po. Once again, our second place, Pamplona National High School for Marching Percussion Band Drill Exhibition. Okay, luway-luway. And now, our first place with an average score of 97.18%. Our first place is, sa liwat po, iniimbitaran ng Gabos na mag-attend sa Tagboan Music and Arts Fest sa Balatas Development Complex. At siya nabanggi, yaon po ang Nubita. And now, our first place. Our first place for the Marching Percussion Band Drill Exhibition, San Roque National High School, Mercedes, Camarines Norte. Once again, congratulations, San Roque National High School, our best marching percussion band drill exhibition in high school category from Mercedes, Camarines Norte. All right. Mga taga Mercedes. And now, we will be awarding the Marching Brass Winds Band Drill Exhibition in high school category. Best in Marching for Brass, Winds Band, and Drill Exhibition. We will be calling the top 4. Fourth place, from Libmanan, Camarines Sur, San Juan National High School. Once again, our fourth place for Marching Brass Winds Band Drill Exhibition for high school category, San Juan National High School. From Handong, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. And now, our third place with an average score of 88%. Our third place is Sabang National High School, Sabang, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Ayun, yun ang mga taga-Sabang. Double time. Yan. Once again, congratulations, Sabang National High School, our third place for Marching Brass Winds Band Drill Exhibition for high school category. And now, our second place with an average score of 89.33%. Our second place for Marching Brass Winds Band Drill Exhibition is Pasacao Academy from Santa Rosa del Norte, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Ops, luway-luway, luway-luway, day magdumog sa stage. Tukaw, tukaw, tukaw. Yan. Luway-luway. Dahil na magsurok-sok sa taas, dyan na lang po ang iba sa baba. Masikip po ang satuyang stage. Yan. Tukaw po, tukaw for one brief photo op. Tukaw po, magsunod po kita sa satuyang mga photographers. Once again, our second place, Pasacao Academy. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our first place for Marching Brass Winds Band Drill Exhibition with an average score of 92.33%. Our first place for Marching Brass Winds Band Drill Exhibition is from Naga City, Camarines Sur National High School. Luway-luway, may magsurok-sukan. Tukaw po kamo sa giyanan. Magtubod po kita sa satong photographers. Natatauban po ang satong guests, our judges, and city officials. Once again, our first place for Marching Brass Winds Band Drill Exhibition, Camarines Sur National High School. Basta Kamhay! Once again, congratulations. And now, We now proceed to the college category for marching brass, winds, band drill exhibition. There are 4 contingents, so we will be calling all the top 4. 4th place for marching brass, winds, band drill exhibition in college category. Our 4th place is Partido State University from San Juan Bautista, Goa, Camarines Sur. Once again, our 4th place, Partido State University, Goa, Camarines Sur. And now for our 3rd place with an average score of 92.27%. Our 3rd place for Best in Marching Brass, Winds, Band, Drill Exhibition in college category is Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Naga City. Alright, 2 na lang po ang natatada. Sisay daw, liwat. Back to back put last year, garo, anong gana? Ano to eh? Si Biswa. Sisay daw ngunyan ang magiging our best marching brass, winds, band drill exhibition in college category. Our 2nd place with an average score of 93.90%. Our 2nd place from marching band, winds, band drill exhibition in college category is Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Aswan. Once again, our 2nd place for Best in Marching Brass, Winds, Band Drill Exhibition for college category, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture. Thank you very much, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture. And now our 1st place with an average score of 94.40%. Our best marching brass, winds, band drill exhibition in college category is Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Once again, congratulations, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges from Nabua, Camarines Sur. And now we award our best in Majorette color guards in drill exhibition for college category. Our fourth place in best in Majorettes and color guards is Partido State University, Goa, Camarines Sur. And now our third place for best in Majorettes and color guards in college category with an average score of 87%. Once again, our third place is Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Naga City. And now, congratulations, Bicol Science College of Applied Sciences and Technology. Our third place. And now, our second place with an average score of 87.33% for best Majorettes and color guards for college category. Our second place is Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Aswan. Okay. Once again, congratulations, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture. And now, our first place with an average score of 91.67%. Our first place for Majorettes color guards in college category is Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Once again, congratulations, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges from Nabua, Camarines Sur, our best in Majorettes and color guards in college category. All right. Before we proceed to the announcement of the overall champion, I would like to call the 7th place for the Marching Percussion Band Drill Exhibition in High School category, La Consolacion College of Iriga Incorporated. Once again, our 7th place for the Marching Percussion Band Drill Exhibition, La Consolacion College of Iriga Incorporated. Alright, before we announce our overall winner for both categories, we will be presenting the certificate of appreciations to our partners and groups and associations. The certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to for their dedication and invaluable contribution to the success of the Regional Band and Majorettes Exhibition Competition held as part of the celebration of the Peña Francia Festival 2024. Presented this 15th of September 2024, coinciding with the celebration of the centenary of the canonical coronation of Our Lady of Peña Francia, patroness of Bicolandia in the pilgrim city of Naga, Philippines, signed by our City Mayor, the Honorable Nelson S. Legacion. This certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Band Conductors League of the Philippines, Incorporated. Same certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Color Guard Alliance of the Philippines, Incorporated. Same certificate of appreciation is presented to Percussive Art Society, Philippine Chapter. And of course, the certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Philippine Baton Twirling Association. Once again, sirs, ma'am, congratulations po and thank you po sa pag-judge digdi sa samuyang ginibong military parade and fancy drill and majorette and band exhibition digdi sa syudad ni Naga. And now, we now award the 2024 Regional Band, Majorette, and Fancy Drill Exhibition Overall Champion for High School category. With an average score of 92.69%. Our overall champion for high school category is Pamplona National High School. All right, congratulations to our overall champion for the 2024 Regional Band, Majorette, and Fancy Drill Exhibition for High School category. All right, once again, congratulations, Pamplona National High School. And now, we award our overall champion for the 2024 Regional Band, Majorette, and Fancy Drill Exhibition for college category. With an average score of 93.04%. Our 2024 Regional Band, Majorette, and Fancy Drill overall champion is Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Sa liwat, digdi po nagtatapos ang satuyang Regional Band, Majorettes, and Fancy Drill Exhibition 2024. Sa gabos
The Peña Francia Festival Civic Events is presented by the City Government of Naga, headed by Attorney Son Ligacion and Vice Mayor Nene Diasis, in partnership with our diamond sponsor, Robinson's Naga, URC Flour, DLTB Company, Gold Sponsors, Triton Paints, South Star Drive, Fieldworks Construction, Umar Residences, Coca-Cola Beverages Philippines Incorporated, Dito Telecommunity, Moore State Company Incorporated, Moraville Hotels and Moraville The Garden, Caramel Bake Shop, Pucaris Rent, Sapphire Sponsors, Summit Hotel, Suzuki Philippines, Gateway Visa Solutions, Development Bank of the Philippines, Lotus Blue Hotel, Jollibee, CTEC, Maritime Planning and Assessment, Bang Inasal, Nature Spring, Philinvest, developer of Futura Monte Condominium, Villa Caceres Hotel, official residence of Miss Bicolanja candidates, Power Max Center, Firefly, official lighting partner, Ruby sponsors, Carl's Catering, Pepsi Philippines, SMCT Naga, LCC Mall, Quantrix, Biggs, McDonald's, San Miguel Brewers, Smart, Inebra San Miguel, San Miguel Foods Incorporated, Mark Cafe, Food Panda, Fresh Deli, Hotel Sogo, PT Mayora, distributor of Copico and Lay Mineral, the Isabel Hotel, Pierre and Evil Tours, Bicolisarong Transport System Incorporated, Patron, Palawan Pawn Shop, and Palawan Express Perapadala, Town Gas, PLDT, Dermise, Hudair Marketing, Vista Mall Naga, Century Pacific Foods Incorporated, Bigfoot Construction, Landers, and TGP Party List.